Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Cristiano Ronaldo statue has been installed in India in Goa. Portuguese football legend Cristiano Ronaldo statues has been installed in Panaji, Goa to inspire the youth and take football to next level in the state and country. Portuguese football legend Cristiano Ronaldo statue has been installed in Goa to inspire the youth and take football to the next level in the state and the country. The statue weighs around 410 kgs and the aim of installing it is to motivate the younger generation towards sports and following their dreams. This is for the first time that the statue of Cristiano Ronaldo has come up in India. This is nothing but to inspire our youth. If you want to take football to another level, then this is what young boys and girls will look forward to, taking selfies and looking at the statue and getting inspired to play. The Manchester United player is immensely popular in the state as Goa is one of the bastions of Portuguese support in India. The statue has been reported to cost around Rs 12 lakh and has been built over a period of 3 years. However, the statue has drawn from a certain section of the local people. Many people also waved black flags near the site expressing their anger. It must be noted that Goa was once a Portuguese colony and it was on December 19, 1961 that it was annexed by India. The Minister of Goa further said that there are certain people who are opposing the installation of the statue and they are the ones who don't want to see the country going ahead in sports. The minister even took Twitter to express his words and wrote, "It was an honor to inaugurate the beautification of open space, landscaping, garden with foundation and walkway." The minister added that certain individuals have opposed the statue's placement and that they are those who do not want to see the country progress in sport. Referring to them as a football haters, he said they don't consider football as a religion. He also noted that football is a game in which everyone is treated equally regardless of caste, color, religion or other factors. In addition to this, the statue cost roughly 12 lakhs and had been in the works for 3 years before being postponed due to the COVID-19 outbreak. The Manchester United star and the Portuguese player Cristiano Ronaldo statues has been installed and unveiled in the Goa in Panaji in India.